Did you know that you can actually make over $5 online just for clicking on ads? Yes, these are all the people that are currently earning money just for creating a free account and clicking on ads without selling anything, without paying for anything, completely for free. This works worldwide and you don't have to have any experience to get started, and the best part is, you can get started earning right after watching this video. Now in today's video, I want to show you how to create your free account and how to start making money just for clicking on ads. You're going to stay until the end of today's video because at the end, I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm going to show you how to 10x your earnings and make much more than people are making right here. Okay, so let's get started. Now, this is the website that we are going to be using in today's method, but make sure you're going to stay until the end of the video because I'm going to show you a lot of hacks and tips and tricks so you can maximize your earnings. Now, as you can see, this website is called btcshare.com. As you can see, you can make up to $1 per ad view, but I will also show you how to make over $10 just for clicking on a single ad. Yes, you can make over $10 just for a single click on one of these ads on this website. Now there's over 477,000 users registered and over 1,000 new added just yesterday. And this website has already paid over $500,000 in earnings in a lifetime. And just yesterday, they paid over $226,000, which is crazy. Now, they're going to pay you via Perfect Money, Payoneer, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. So whatever of these payment methods you like, you can just use them and get paid that way. Now what you want to do is click right here and click on Create Your Free Account and go through the sign-up process. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward. Just enter your username. This is my username right here. Enter your strong password. Repeat the password. Enter your email. Repeat the email. And then you have to confirm that you are not a robot. Now I also have to complete the captcha. So I'm just going to do it very quickly right here. Then you need to click on I agree to terms and service, and you want to click on Create Your Account. Now that your account is created, you need to go to your email inbox and you also want to verify your email. This is the email that you're going to see it from BTC Share, and the title is Account Activation, and all you have to do is just here, complete the registration. Now that you have completed your registration, you can just log in right here. Once you're logged in, you're automatically going to receive 100 BAPs as a welcome bonus, which is just free money that you can use for more ads and to get paid instantly. All you have to do is just click on skip and they are going to be added into your account. Now this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left-hand side is going to say balance 0. But don't worry, after watching this video, it's definitely going to increase. These are your free BAPs that you have received, and there's just more bonuses right here, and you can also buy BAPs right here. Now, to start earning money using this website, all you have to do is just click right here into the Earn section. And this is where you're going to see all the different activities that you can use to start making money on this website. You can just view ads, you can complete different offer walls, you can also complete different surveys, you can get paid to just watch videos, you can go to BTC walls, you can go to click-through rate, which is definitely one of my favorites. I'm going to show you how it works in just a second, and you can also refer friends. So let's just get started with the view ads. Now, once you're going to click on view ads, you can scroll down, and these are all the different ads that you can just click on and start making money instantly. On the left-hand side, you're going to see all these different ads that are going to pay you in BAP, which are bonus ad points. Then in the middle, you're going to see as they're going to pay you money. There's currently 12 of them, and you can just scroll through them and just click on the ones that are going to pay you the most. And on the right-hand side, you can also complete offers and start making over $55 per day. Now, these offers are paying you the most amount of money. Just this one is going to pay you 17 cents. Then this one is going to pay you only 9 cents. This one is going to pay you 54 cents. And they're all very, very easy to complete. Now, if you're going to be doing this on a daily basis, you can make anywhere from $30 to $55 per day just by completing these offers. Now I know this is not the most amount of money you can make online, but this is 100% free. You can create your free account very easily, and it also works worldwide. But now I want to show you my favorite feature of this website, which is definitely the click grid. So what you want to do is click on Earn and go to Click Grid. And this is a place where you get paid up to $10 for a single click. Now all these squares that you see right here, you can click on and you can earn money. On the right hand side, you can see the recent big winners, which are currently making money just clicking on these grids, and you can do this yourself. So let me demonstrate how this actually works. You can click on any of these and you're going to get paid anywhere from 1 cent up to $10 for a single click. So I'm just going to click right here, and then you just need to watch a simple ad and click on Confirm to get paid. And once you do that, then the square is going to turn red and you can go for another one. Now every day you're going to have 20 chances. You can make up to $200 just for clicking on these squares if all of them are going to have a $10 value, but most likely they're going to have like 5 or 1 cent value, which is still going to add to your daily earnings. Now this is not a lot, I understand, but this is a very simple and free way of making money online just by clicking on different ads and just by using this mouse. The best part is this also works on your smartphone. So on your way to school, on the way to your job, you can just be using this website and making some extra cash. And eventually you can cash out and enjoy your extra money that you've earned from PTC Share. Okay, and now I want to show you the bonus strategy, which is going to make you so much more money than all of these different functions combined. So even though the click rate is going to pay you up to $10 for a single click, which is going to be a lot, this bonus strategy that I'm going to show you is going to pay you much more. What you want to do is head over to the Earn section and you want to click on the Refer Friends. Now this is a function that most people on this website are not going to be using because they don't know how to get a lot of referrals to work under their link. The good thing about this website is you're going to get paid 7% commissions on every ad purchase and 3% commissions on the value of their ad clicks. So if you can get people to sign up through your link right here, you are going to get paid passive income without doing anything at all. You don't have to click on any of the ads yourself, you don't have to complete any of the surveys, and if somebody is going to complete any of the surveys on this website under your referral link, you're going to get paid for that. So what you want to do is you want to grab your affiliate link and grab your referral link right here, and you want to copy it. Now, to get a lot of referrals to sign up through your link, what you want to do is go to a website, Quora.com. Now, Quora.com is a website where a lot of people are asking different questions and they're looking for help. And this is a website where you can just go and search for how to make money online and see all the questions that people are asking about how to make money online. And the best part is, this is 100% free, and all you have to do is just click on any of these answers and just recommend BTC Share through your referral link. So all you have to do is go to any of these questions, then you want to click right here on Answer, and you want to just write a simple answer. Something like this. If you're looking to get started making up to $50 per day for free, try out this website. And if somebody is going to click right here, and they're going to try it out and make over $50 per day, you're going to get paid for that. And you can do this over and over again for all the different questions and get hundreds and hundreds of referrals and get paid in passive income. And this is also something that you can do on other websites like Facebook and Twitter and get even more referrals. And that's it for this video. Now, before you go, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out any of the videos that you see on the screen right now to check out more videos about making money online. And I'm gonna see you in the next videos.